Yeah. From Ziguinchor to the world, lion blood, green, yellow, red in the veins. This one for the ones who open the door. History never dies, it runs forward. Afghan vibes, Morocco nights, Africa lights. Let's go. More where the river meets the sea breeze. Ziguinchor dreams, barefoot, big league from Casa Sport, chasing sunrise. Young lion heart with fire in his eyes. Europe cold, but the soul stayed warm. African pride in the striker's form. Every touch spoke courage, no fear. Centerfold voice, stadiums here. 186 standing tall in the box. Headers like thunder, defenders in shock. Didn't come to blend, came to lead. Every goal planted, history see. They doubted the passport, trusted the skill. Neck kept shaking, couldn't stay still. Different leagues, same mission. African excellence, no promotion. Bocande, Bocande, light in the night. Running for Africa, raise it high. From Senegal to the world stage flame. Courage in his boots, history in his name. Bocande, Bocande, still we chant. Legacy heavy, continent stand. Afghan season, feel that flame. We don't forget the legends, we say their name. France nights, goes on repeat. Top scorer season, 23 deep. Mets colors, lit the sky. Africa striker, League One eyes. Paris lights, nice breeze. Lens raw, Belgian streets. Different jerseys, same respect. World class stamp, no need to flex. 7-3 caps, 20 for the land. Carry the flag with a steady head before hashtags, before the hype. He kicked the door for a future life. Now the youth walk past, he drew. Scouts watching Africa too. From Dakar streets to global flights. Legacy turns struggle into sight. Bocande, Bocande, light in the night. Running for Africa, raise it high. From Senegal to the world stage flame. Courage in his boots, history in his name. Bocande, Bocande, still we chant. Legacy heavy, continent stand. Afghan season, feel that flame. We don't forget legends, we say their name. Not just goals, dignity. Not just fame, identity. Open gates, broke the ceiling. African football started healing. Coach on the sideline, mind still sharp. Teaching the game, playing his part. Even when legends take their rest, the echoes live in every crest. Morocco lights, drums and chants. Africa dancing, destiny plans. Every striker with lion dreams runs on stories like Bocande's jeans. This cup ain't just silver and gold. It's stories of brave hearts told from yesterday to now we stand. Built on the steps of a legend's plan. Bocande, Bocande, forever live. In every run, every counter drive. African cup, feel that flame. We honor the past, elevate the game. Bocande, Bocande, never gone. From kickoff to the final song. World class soul, African name. Legends don't fade, they remain. From Ziguinchor